here is two blocks, X and Y, are placed in contact with each other. Data for the blocks are provided. And here we can see the data. The initial temperature of X is 20, final temperature is 60 with a specific heat capacity of 2C, and block Y has an initial temperature of 80, final temperature of 60, and a specific heat capacity of C. So if X has a mass M, we have to find the mass of Y. And what we can use is the equation Q equals mc delta T. And this equation means, or Q is the energy coming into the object, and we know that energy the energy loss for one object is the same as the energy gain for the other, because it's assumed that they're kind of like in their own isolated system. So we could start solving it. We know that they're going to be equal to each other, so we can say that for this x, so that's just gonna be this m here, and ct equals m, let's put a delta there, my ct. So we know that for the let me just put this here. The c is of x is 2c. So we will put 2c, mx 2c, and then the change in temperature is simply 60 minus 20, and that is equal to, for my, and then the c here is just c, and the change in temperature for y, as we can see on the chart here, is 80 minus 60, 80 minus 60. And now it's just a simple case of solving for my in terms of mx. So here we could see that these c's can just cancel out. So now it's just basic algebra. We can say that mx x 2mx 60 minus 20 is 40 equals my 80 minus 60 is 20. So now we can get that my, just swap inside here, equals, we'll take this 20 and divide both sides by 20. So we'll have my equals 2mx 2, which is just my, and our final answer is my equals 4m. Because the mx is just m. I just put it there to make it clear. So that's our answer. C my equals 4m. That's the mass of y.